it's Melanie from Wando Mount Pleasant Library, and I'm here today to show you how to make do-it-yourself cat toys. And you should be able to find most of the materials that we're using today lying around your house. If you can't, they're pretty inexpensive. So let's get started. The first one that I'm going to show you is using an old champagne cork from a champagne bottle. You can use the other corks, like a regular shaped one, but we find that cats like that shape as well. Just, you know, it's a bit different. It's more fun to like play and hit with. So you need your cork and a decent sized nail that you're gonna hammer through the cork like this, and I'll show you how. So you just place it in the top and carefully grab your hammer. Maybe a bit noisy. I should have mentioned too that you should have something underneath what you're hammering so that you don't damage the surface that your cork is sitting on. See that poking out? So once you get it straight through the middle, and it does take a little bit of time to get that through, you grab some pliers and you just wiggle it free. So just kind of twist it, put a bit of muscle in there. Okay, so that comes out. And now you have like a nice hole in the top. And then you'll need a needle. This actually is a tiny bit short for this cork, but we'll make it work anyway. But essentially a longer needle, and you thread some wool or some yarn through the eye of the needle, and you're going to poke that through. I'm just going to use my nail to push it through to the other side. You can see the tip. I'm just going to use some pliers to pull it through. Pull it through like so. Okay, so then we have our piece of yarn successfully through. You leave a good length so that, because you're essentially going to be dangling it in front of your cat. So leave a good length, and then just grab some other shorter pieces of yarn, and they can obviously be any color. And you're just going to tie them around the base of the cork where the yarn is poking out. So you just tie them firmly so that it's not going to come off when the cat plays with them. And you can just keep tying as many as you want to make it like a shaggy end. And then just grab my scissors and trim it a little. And hey presto, it's like an easy little cat toy. Look, Fluffy. He loves it. Look how happy he is. So that's the first one. The second cat toy that we've got today uses toilet roll holders. You should have these lying around the house. If you don't, then I have other concerns for you. But toilet roll, empty toilet roll, and this is a really simple one. You just need to fold down the top, just kind of make a little closure, like so. Doesn't have to close completely. And you do the same on the other side as well. But before you close it, you're gonna fill it, and I didn't have any kibble because I don't actually have a cat right now, but you're gonna fill it with some kibble or something that your cat likes to eat. I have fake kibble. I'm not suggesting that you feed your cat perla beads. Pretty sure that doesn't go well with their digestive system, but just fill it with some kibble and then you close the top of it. The idea being that when the cat hits it and plays with it, the kibble falls out and the cat can eat it. So that's a really simple cat toy, and you can just make as many of those as you want, and when they get destroyed, just throw them away. Okay, the last one, and if you don't have any felt lying around the house, but sometimes you do have scraps of felt lying around from other projects, you only need about a foot, not even a foot, of scrap felt. It's pretty cheap if you wanted to just pick some up at the hobby craft store anyway, but you're gonna make one of these little dangly cat toys. I'll show you how to do it. Cut a piece of felt around about this size and this shape, like a rectangular shape. And then you're gonna fold it in half. And grab your scissors, and we're gonna cut little, what would you call them? Like little strips, but we're not going to cut all the way through to the folded edge, just as close as we can without cutting through. And you just do that all the way along. Okay, so once you've cut all the way through, you've got like a little fringe, whoops, like a little fringe all the way along. Just unfold it. And then all you're gonna do is roll it up like a little, I don't know what, burrito? Sure, let's go with that. Roll it all the way up. You could use different colored felt together, like two pieces together, and make an even bigger dangly toy for your cat, different colors. So you roll it up, grab some string, just ordinary kitchen string will work, which you should have in your kitchen drawer. Cut a decent length, because again, you're going to want something that you can dangle in front of your cat to entice him or her. And then all you do is just fluff it down. It actually works well with a couple of pieces of felt together, because it makes it a bit bigger and thicker. And there you've got your dangly toy. What do you think about that, Fluffy? Yay! Go, get it. See? He loves that one too.